Hello, this is Brad from Carolina Boat and Yacht Brokers. Today we're taking a video tour of our 2003 Sea Ray Sundancer 320. This boat is powered by twin MerCruiser 5.0s with approximately 230 hours of use. They are paired to Bravo 3 outdrives. This boat is located in Bath, North Carolina. It has a Kohler 5 kilowatt generator with approximately 60 hours of use. We'll step down below. To starboard, there's a nice settee with dining table. Forward, a centerline berth. Got storage below. Also storage there to each side. We've got a TV VCR combination to port, along with a full galley. Got a refrigerator there. 2-burner stovetop. Sink. Plenty of storage. Overhead lighting here. A lot of overhead clearance. I'd say a little over 6 feet of clearance in the cabin. Also to port is the head. It's got a marine toilet, sink, and also a handheld shower. Pulls out of the sink there. A rear berth with seating for, say, 5 adults, and then we'll convert to sleeping quarters for 2. Step back up top side. Aft, there's a large seating area with table, so you could entertain 8 or so guests here, and then a large swim platform here with a built-in ladder after the boat. Okay, it's been a walk-around tour of our 2003 Sea Ray Sundancer 320.
Large trunk.
This boat is listed currently for $78,950. You can go to CarolinaBoatandYachtBrokers.com or give me a call at 919-650-9418. Thank you.